Diane Kinderwater. You see her each week on Issues and Answers with Diane Kinderwater. Some could say that this year's recipient of the Foundation Stone Award has lived many lifetimes. That's because when she worked as the English TV teacher in El Salvador during that Central American country's civil war, and then in Guatemala, she was shot at twice, hit once, held hostage. She was even labeled a CIA agent by the revolutionaries. Diane said that seems like a lifetime ago. Because Diane tends to be a private person, many people don't know this about her. But everyone does know Diane lives life to its fullest. She has a zest for her work and doing her best. Diane Kinderwater has been the host and producer of Sun Broadcasting's Issues and Answers with Diane Kinderwater for nearly 15 years. She began the program when she was the Director of Communications for former Republican Governor Gary E. Johnson. He was one of her favorite guests, and he liked being on the program too. Now that Diane is the Director of Communications for the Senate Minority Leadership Office, there are plenty of shows about the state and legislation. Diane also features programs about the talented and colorful people of Santa Fe and New Mexico. Throughout her career, Diane has interviewed newsmakers, movers, and shakers, and celebs like Ted Danson from Cheers, actress Shirley MacLaine, Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger, Microsoft's Bill Gates, and even Tony the Tiger. Diane had fun with her career and made it look fun. As a youngster, she grew up in snowy Roseville, Minnesota, the daughter of Jack and Jackie Kinderwater and the youngest of 5. Diane says she had a wonderful childhood in the upper Midwest and feels hearty having grown up in all that snow. Diane loves to entertain her family and friends as a tap dancer, pianist, and even a puppeteer. At 11 years young, she started in TV on the Hi Jerry children's program. After graduating from the University of Wisconsin and her turbulent years in Central America during the Civil War, Diane returned to the United States and worked in Minnesota, Texas, and New Mexico. She was a news anchor, news reporter, weathercaster, national sales manager, account executive, and promotions manager at stations that include KOB-TV, KOAT-TV, KLUZ-TV. She moved to the Land of Enchantment in 1985. She has a passion for documenting life. Her video company produced videos such as the official Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta video, and she especially loved capturing the beauty of weddings for over 22 years. If that has not kept her busy, Diane is also a real estate broker, teaches courses for the New Mexico County College, jump horses, runs in half marathons, and is a competitive tennis player. She is a member of Santa Maria de la Paz Catholic community, where she and her son Kenneth were active in the church's youth ministry, singing in the church choir, and building a sand volleyball court for the youth program. While Diane says she is grateful and blessed to have an interesting and challenging professional life, she says her biggest blessing is to have a son, Kenneth Kinderwater, who says he has been a complete joy to raise. Diane says the highlight of her life was when Kenneth graduated from the United States Air Force Academy last May.
Kenneth Kinderwater.
Now he is an officer and is beginning Air Force pilot training in Texas. Diane said her job was to raise Kenneth. His job is to help keep this country on track so Americans can still have liberty, pursue happiness, and be part of the greatest nation in the world.
So his job is to go make this the best country we can and inspire other young men and women. My job is done. His is just beginning.
Diane appreciates and loves all of those who have supported her and Kenneth throughout the years. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the recipient of Sun Broadcasting's Foundation Stone Award for 2014, Diane Kinderwater.